Want soft, juicy mutton every time? Let's make a rich and flavorful mutton stew in a pressure cooker. Step 1. Base fry. Mustard oil ½ cup. Start by heating mustard oil until slightly smoky. Add all the whole spices and sauté briefly until aromatic. Now add finely chopped onions and cook them until golden brown. This creates the perfect flavorful base for your stew. Golden brown onions create natural sweetness and deep color for the gravy. Step 2. Mutton searing. Mutton 700 grams. Add the mutton and sear it on high flame for 5 to 6 minutes. This locks the juices for tender meat. Step 3. Flavor building. Onion 4 medium size. Now comes the key flavor step. Add roughly chopped onions. Ginger 2 tablespoons. Garlic 1 whole. Green chili 5 to 6. Fry everything well for 5 to 7 minutes to build deep flavor. By the way, if you enjoy easy and flavorful recipes like this, do consider subscribing to the channel for more delicious content. Step 4. Spice mixing. Salt 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Dry red chili 2 to 3. Mix everything thoroughly. Step 5. Pressure cooking. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 1 whistle on high flame, then 10 minutes on low flame for perfectly tender mutton. Step 6. Bunai after cooking. After the pressure releases, open the lid and sauté lightly to thicken the stew. Step 7. Final dum. Garam masala powder ½ teaspoon and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. This step locks in all the flavors and gives a rich aroma. Step 8. Serving. Your soft, juicy, and flavorful mutton stew is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Food Zeeka for more amazing recipes. Also, let me know in the comments how you like your mutton, in curry or stew.